Morning traders and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. In this video I'm gonna do the forecasting of all currency pairs, what I'm expecting, how market is gonna react for upcoming week. So guys, before I start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. So if you want to be a part of my paid group, what you have to do is just you need to like our video, share our video to your friends, and comment in the comment section, so you will be get chance to win, to enter in my paid group. So let's start our video. So before I start, guys, again, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. And one more thing, I'm gonna announce the lucky person who will be added into my paid group, who won and comment in my previous video, who won the chance to enter in my paid group. So here is our winner. This is I am a trader, who comment is I wish I can win this chance and get enter in the paid group. So congratulations, you win it. So contact me on Telegram at UK Pro Traders, so I will add you in my paid group. And please guys, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. This username is same at UK Pro Trader. Let's start our video and let's start with our first pair, which is CAD JPY. As you can see, this is a CAD JPY daily chart. As you can see, it's touch our resistance level, now it's coming down. So I'm expecting CAD JPY to go down and then it's gonna go up. So if it's break this our support level, so the next target of CAD JPY is 0.77, but if it's take the support here, I'm looking for this kind of moment and I will wait for the breakout and then it will go up. So we have to see what's gonna happen for upcoming week, and because whenever I enter in the trade, I see a lot of things. I see the price action, I will see the moving averages, I will see the trend and my trading strategies, bar chart strategies. I have see a lot of things, and to get that was confirmation, and then I will enter. So if you have any question about any currency pair, so you can ask in the comment section. I will happy to help you to answer you guys as well. So let's move to our next pair, which is CHF JPY. As you can see, the guys who are in my paid group, I give this signal as well. Now it's coming down, it's already break this resistance level. Now I'm waiting for this support level. Whenever it's break, I will looking for this kind of moment, and it's break this level, the next target of CHF JPY, which is 109.79. So I'm expecting CHF JPY to go down for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which are AUD pairs. So the guys who are in my paid group, they knew we got all these pips. So I'm expecting AUD JPY to go down. So I'm just waiting for break this movement and this kind of breakout, and then boom. So I'm expecting AUD JPY to go down. Our next pair, which is AUD CAD, same with the AUD CAD. I'm expecting, in my previous video I was expecting it will go down, exactly the same thing happened. So I'm one little bit more up moment and then it's gonna go down. So I'm expecting AUD CAD, it will go down at least this level, which is 0.90. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD CHF. I'm expecting all CHF pair to go up, but in AUD CHF case, I'm expecting it will come down on this level, then I'm gonna buy, or if it's break that, the next target this one, and then it's gonna buy. So I'm expecting AUD CHF it to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD NZD. Let me zoom out. Yep, as you can see, AUD NZD near to my this support level. If it's break that, then it's gonna come here and we will see the price action. We have to buy here, or if it's break that, the next target is this one, and then it will go up, right? So if you have any question about any pairs, please feel free to comment in the section, in comment section. Feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will happy to help you guys. I will happy to answer you guys. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD USD. Guys who are in my paid group, I gave this signal as well. So what I'm expecting, AUD USD to go down. So I'm waiting for this kind of moment. We wait for this breakout and then I'm gonna enter. So I'm expecting AUD USD to go down. Let's see what happens when the market open. Guys, I just want to tell you one thing, like, this is not a signal, that's my point of view. What's gonna happen in the market. If you need signals, there is a link in the description, so you will see, you will contact me on Telegram, so I will post my proper take profit entry point and stop loss in my paid group. So you are most welcome to join that paid group, and I will also sharing the result of my paid group. You can see on your screen, that's the result of my paid group. We earned about 2665 pips profit this week. So that's the history of my paid group. So let's go back to our video, and that's it for the AUD pairs. Let's move to our next pairs, which are Euro pairs. This is the chart of Euro AUD. As you can see, guys, it's touch our support level and it will go up and it's come back again. So I'm waiting for Euro AUD come this level or this level. I'm gonna buy because I'm expecting Euro AUD to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro JPY. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we post this signal. We sold about from here or here. It's already break this support level. So the next target of Euro JPY is this, which is 116 level, but it's not gonna happen in one day. So what I'm expecting, I will waiting for this kind of moment and then I'm gonna sell. So I'm expecting Euro JPY to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro CAD. Euro CAD is moving in between. Let me zoom out for you guys. As you can see, Euro CAD is in ranging market. So as you can see, let me move this. As you can see, the moving averages as well. Euro CAD is running a bit sideways. So whenever market moves sideways, I will not trade. So I'm not gonna do anything on Euro CAD until it will come down to touch this level. Then I will see the price action. So then I'm gonna buy. So I'm not gonna do trading Euro CAD for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro CHF. I was expecting Euro CHF to go up. So it's already break my this support level. So I'm waiting Euro CHF to come this level or this level. I'm gonna buy because in the long term I'm expecting Euro CHF to go up and it will go up a lot. I'm not a big fan of Euro CHF. I'm not a big fan of selling Euro CHF because it's already down about at least 2 to 3,000 pips. So whenever I do trade in Euro CHF, I will only buy. I will not sell because Euro CHF, as you can see, let me zoom out for you guys, is a kind of low of his life. So what's the point to sell Euro CHF here? So I'm expecting Euro CHF to go up at least this level, and which is 1090. So from here to this level is about 1300 pips. So that's the reason I'm not a big fan of selling Euro CHF. So whenever I place trade in Euro CHF, I'm just gonna buy it. I'm not gonna sell it. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro NZD. As you can see, guys, Euro NZD is near to my this support level. So I'm expecting this kind of movement in Euro CHF and then it's gonna go up. Right now trend is down and is strongly down, but we have to see the price action on that time when we enter in the plate. So I'm expecting Euro CHF to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro USD. I was expecting Euro USD to go down. As you can see, we got all these pips from Euro USD. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew about this trade as well. So it's already break my this resistance as the next target of Euro USD is 1.080. So I'm expecting Euro USD to go down. If you have any question regarding any pairs, feel free to comment in the comment section. I will happy to answer you guys. That's it from the Euro pairs. Let's move to our next pair, which are one of my favorite pairs because I'm living in London, so I'm from United Kingdom as well. So one of my favorite pair, which is GBP. So as you can see, GBP is going down. It's already break this my support level, so I'm expecting GBP come down to this level and then I'm gonna buy. So I will wait GBP to come this level, then I'm gonna buy. So I'm expecting GBP to go up but I have to wait for the right entry. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro JPY. Euro JPY already break my this resistance level. What's that mean? Maybe it will go up at least this level, which is 0.9160. So then I'm gonna sell, but on my point of view, I am expecting Euro GBP to go down, and it will go down a lot. So I'm waiting for the right. Me and my paid members are in this trade as well, and we are in loss right now, but I didn't hit our SL, so I'm expecting Euro GBP to come down at least this level. The day is break that, the next target of Euro GBP is 0.85 level. So I'm expecting from current price from here is about 600 pips, so I'm expecting Euro GBP to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP AUD. As you can see, it's already break our this support level, but you can see it takes support from here. It's already break our support, so I'm waiting for this kind of moment, and if it's breakout, then I'm gonna buy because I'm expecting AUD to go up, and it will go up a lot. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP CAD. Let me see this GBP CAD. Yeah, let me zoom it for you guys. So I'm expecting GBP CAD to go up. The reason behind is we already placed one trade of 0.68 level, which we already stopped out. It just stopped out and come back. It's going up again. So as you can see, it's touched my this support level, and as the guys who are in my paid group, they knew I don't do trading on Friday, so that's the reason I didn't give this signal. So I'm expecting GBP CAD to go up, but I will wait for the correct entry. We have to take entry from here, or we have to take entry from here, then it will go up. So I'm expecting GBP CAD to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP CHF. It's already break my this support level, and it's already stopped us out. So I'm now is on our this support level, so I'm waiting for this kind of movement, and I'm expecting GBP CHF to go up, and it will go up a lot from here, at least 1300 to 1500 pips, but it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. It will take time. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP JPY. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold GBP JPY, and we were expecting GBP JPY to go down, and exactly the same thing happening. So this it's already break over this support level. So the next target of GBP JPY to this support levels, but I'm waiting for this kind of moment, and then it's gonna go down. So the next target of GBP JPY is 1.30 and 1.29, but let's see from where we have to enter again, because right now it's already break my this support. Now this support work like my resistance, so I will see if the price resist this level. If it keep resisting, so I'm gonna sell it, and I'm expecting GBP JPY to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP NZD, and that's the last pair of our GBP pairs. As you can see, GBP NZD also touched one of our key support levels, so I'm waiting for this kind of moment. I will wait for breakout, and I'm expecting GBP NZD to go up, and it will go up a lot. Let's move to, that's it from the GBP pairs. Next move to our next pairs, which are NZD pairs. This is the chart of NZD CAD. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold NZD CAD and it's already break my this support level. So I'm waiting for this kind of moment again. I'm waiting for this breakout again because I'm expecting NZD CAD to go down and it will go down a lot. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD JPY. I was expecting in my previous video to NZD JPY to go down. As you can see, exactly the same thing happened. It's already break this support level. I'm waiting for this kind of moment and then I'm gonna enter again because I'm expecting NZD JPY to go down for this level. If that's not happened, then it will go up at least this level, then I'm gonna sell. So we have to see when the market open on Monday, so what was the price action on that time, so we will trade according to that. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD NZD CHF. I'm not gonna trade in this pair next week because I'm not looking anything in that because there is no volatility in this in this particular pair from last 1 week, so I'm not gonna do anything with NZD CHF. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD USD. I was expecting this pair to go down because as you can see it's touch over this resistance level and this resistance now start going down. It's already break my this support level, so we will see the price over there. If it break that, the next target of NZD USD is 0.60 level. So I'm expecting NZD USD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD CAD. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting USD CAD to go down and we got all these pips, but let me clear this. As you can see, NZD USD CAD is resisting from this level again and again. If it break that, then it will go up, which I was not expecting that's gonna happen. So I'm waiting for market open and I will see this kind of moment. I will jump in straight away and wait for breakout and I'm gonna sell USD CAD. So I'm expecting USD CAD to come down at least 1.32 or 1.31 level. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD JPY. As you can see, USD, let me zoom in for you guys. As you can see here, USD JPY already touched our this support level, but I didn't place any trade. As you can see, trend was down, but it's weak now, so I didn't place a trade in that pair. But I'm expecting this kind of movement, so it will come down. I'm expecting this kind of movement. It will come down on my this monthly support level. If I got this kind of movement, I will wait for breakout. So I'm expecting USD JPY to go up, then it will go up a lot. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD CHF. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we placed this trade and we earn about this pip. So I'm expecting USD CHF to go up, but from right now I'm waiting for this kind of moment and then wait for breakout. So I'm expecting USD CHF to go up and it will go up a lot. Let's move to our next pair, and our last but not the least pair is gold. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we earn about 150 pips from the gold trade. We sold it on this resistance level yesterday and we got all these pips and it will come back up again. Let me zoom out and I will tell you what I'm looking from gold. I'm still expecting gold to go down till it didn't break the 1.17 area. If it break that, the next target of gold is 1800, which I wasn't expecting that's gonna happen because in the longer time frame I'm expecting excuse me, gold to go down and it will go down a lot. If the day is break this two red lines you can see on your computer screen, the day is break that level 1665, the next target of gold is 1550, but it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. It will take time. So that's it for the forecast for upcoming week, and thanks for watching my video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please press the subscribe button and like my video and share my video and press the bell icon as well, so you will be updated from my upcoming video. Thank you very much guys. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Cheers. Bye.